down. Okay, now dunk it all the way in.
Hello, I'm ZlegoYEET and this channel is called Zlegotube. We do unboxings, have challenges, and make stuff that is kinda cool. In this video, we're making a knife that was level 2. From a horseshoe. Ever since I started playing Minecraft or Mincecraft, I wanted to try blacksmithing. So we head to this forge called Lawless Forge. It actually has a lot of rules, but Lawless Forge sounds cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Insert cringe dab here. We arrive at this warehouse where we meet Matt the blacksmith. He signs us in and shows us that horseshoe knife we'll be crafting. And then this big thing. We put on aprons for blacksmithing.
Oh, I'd say probably the knife. Yeah, because it's got more value in it because you made it something cool.
And gloves, again for blacksmithing.
Too small?
Yeah, these ones right there, yeah. Yep.
And head on to the anvils. There's a lot of anvils. What?
125 pounds! Yeah.
So many anvils.
This one game I play, it's a server on Minecraft called Hypixel. This 5-block gamer has a blacksmith that's really helpful. He does reforges and stuff.
True.
And when you do manage to afford that, you're normally pretty rich.
Same here. I was a big World of Warcraft fan, so
yeah.
I played.
Final Fantasy 14 awesome. They have very extensive blacksmithing, and things like that.
Okay, now I have a blade. Let's reforge it.
Yeah, right.
Sharp blade.
Yep.
And I'm normally scared about reaching in the oven.
Yeah, exactly.
And I want to be a blacksmith.
Well, it's all right as long as you listen and we get all the safety stuff figured out.
Matt said to use the middle of the anvil. The furnace can get really hot, over 2,000 degrees. And hold the tongs low and steady. So beware of the really hot air that blasts out of the furnace into your face, like opening up a car in Arizona, which is appropriately named Dragon's Breath.
There you go, nice and tight.
Get down, remember?
Because the steel is so blazing hot it freaking glows yellow. First step is to make the horseshoe into a straight bar. Next we need to thin the steel for the blade.
Put it right here, just like that. Good. Hold on, nice and tight, all right? All right, flip it over. All right, I think that's all we needed to do. That looks pretty good. All right, I think that's thick enough, so just let that cool down right here, okay? Good work.
Then we hammer the corner to start the curve of the blade.
Good.
Good. Okay.
That's perfect. Let's go ahead and get it hot after this.
Yep.
Nice. All right, stop. Go down, hit it real hard like that. Keep going, yep. Perfect. Look at that, we're making progress. All right, we gotta keep going because right now it's just a butter knife. Right?
We take a break and Matt brings out some swords he made at the forge. I'm not sure he made it, but it's swords in the forge, okay?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to start hammering again, bud? There you go, right on the point. All right, try this way. Swing around this way. Start coming straight down and put that hammer. So just like that, okay? Perfect, that's exactly what we needed. All right, let's put it sideways. Now hit it real hard. Yeah, you really hit that point. Good job. All right, one more time, we're gonna flip it. Beautiful. All right, stop right there. We're gonna let that cool down, okay? It's real hot.
Time to quench the blade to harden
Okay,
the
leave it.
steel.
Okay, now dunk it all the way in. Red? Good. Epic Mage Dagger, go! There it is. All the way down.
There you go.
There you go. Get that handle all the way in there.
All the way
down. There you go. That's all that power going into it. Curved dagger of the road. Alright, there you go. There's more of a knife than a dagger.
After, I cleansed off the metal flakes with some steel wool on a stick. It's a steel brush, okay?
shine it up with some sandpaper and whatnot. But what we're going to work on here is we're going to be doing profiling. So we're going to use the sander to clean up this back spine. We're going to flip it around, clean up the tip, and then the belly. All right. So the way that we're going to do this, we always want 2 hands on the metal.
The belt sanders were a bit loud and there were a bunch of sparks,
Let's see.
which felt like it could set my pants on fire.
This freaks me out.
Pull off. You don't want to go all the way off the edge because you can take the tip off your knife pretty easy. So you hold it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So my mommy and daddy, and also the buses, helped they did the sanding. Matt did the final grinding of the bolster and sharpening of the blades. Gave us the demo knife for my grandpa. That's pretty neat. And he made me a special dual-edged dagger. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and remember, everything is awesome. Daggers, furnaces, and forging. Everything is awesome. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned. To stay even more tuned, smash the bell to see when we get the next video up, which is in a bit. Outtakes lol.
Let's reforge it.
Yeah,
Sharp blade.
Yep.
Oh wait, the blacksmith made the dagger that was level 2 or 3.
I just picked doing the simple